Good afternoon and welcome to the third of our NAB 2022 demo series on FlowCaster Live Workflows. This video will cover the live event workflow. The live event workflow lets you capture one or more cameras live to a series of disks and servers using the Xcode server software and edit them real time, both in Adobe using the OpenMXF editable capture system and in Avid using the Interplay capture system. While we record those high-res for the editors to make packages out of, we also create a low-res that is playable within the browsers real-time while still being captured. That proxy file can be brought into the FlowCaster Live or a local FlowCaster Live server instance, and then groups of people can work together to log and review the footage while it's still recording to send information back to the editors as to what they want to pull out for highlights and other pods. So, once we have the recording started in Xcode, it will appear in the FlowCaster Live workflow. Now, this is a file that's being recorded that we can watch near live within a few seconds, but we can also go back and review things that have happened in the past. The time code is tracked down here on the lower left, and any comments that I make have the time code associated with them right in the comment section. Now, although this is a live signal, I can actually pause it and review things that have already happened. I can also stop it and use some of the standard tools we have to indicate things of interest. I can change the colors, do circles, squares, arrows, line segments, and even put text. Now all of these drawings will now be associated with this time code. So if I put it back into play, they disappear. But if I scroll back into my buffer and play it back, then those will appear at the point that they are drawn in time. Also, the comments will highlight as they are drawn. You can also add emojis into the comment section. And then while this is happening, the editors can also have the same FlowCaster Live session up, so they can see everything that's being done and all the comments that are being made real time. Alternately, you can also export the session to Frame.io, Resolve, Avid, Premiere, Adobe, or our own system to let them pull them in as markers in any of those softwares so they have instant access to what's going on. If you are editing in Adobe, we also have a panel that will show live events, markers, and drawings right inside of Premiere. And you can see that in the live edit demo workflow video listed below. Once the files are completed, once the event is completed, all of the proxies turn into MP4s that are playable in any standard browser or playback technology. And of course, all the high-res are stored either as OpenMXF or OP-AtomMXF in the Interplay system. This allows you to then make your final packages using the markers and everything else, all the data and information that was collected in FlowCaster Live. And you can find more information at www.flowcaster.live. And for more information on the FlowCaster tools, www.flowcaster.com.